இனிமே படத்தை பார்த்து வாங்காதீங்க. 100% கடலை எண்ணெயான்னு படிச்சு பார்த்து வாங்குங்க.
கடலை எண்ணெயில் நம்பர் 1 மிஸ்டர் கோல்ட் 100% கடலை எண்ணெய்.
Hi guys.
Akira.
Chuma, we just thought we'd say a quick hi. You're telling your followers that you've started a live video. Hey, somebody come.
Are you terrifying?
I do that only. That's my fam. I talk like that to my fam. Where are you? Where are you? Hola.
Oh.
Hi guys. Just wanted to say hi. Ellaru eppadi irkeenga? I hope everybody is well and safe. Following the rules. Please follow the rules. Please follow the rules. இப்போதான் ஒரு போஸ்ட் நான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணேன். You can see in my story where I've said that one doctor has spoken saying that beds, ICUs, oxygen is not important. The important fact is we should maintain social distancing, follow the protocols. And yay! Amazing! So yeah, okay, signals here. So that's where was I? Are we there? Are we there yet? Mm-hmm. Yes. So actually what I was saying is Nadula Katta Edichu. Thank you. Stop playing with the notifying with the screen. What I was going to say is oxygen, bed, ICU, these things are cure. These are the to prevent is the main. Prevention is better than cure. Why are you not standing the frame? Why are you distracting me, Shruti?
Because they want to see only Akira, not us.
Hey, important things I'm talking. Okay, okay, fine. So, what I meant is, please be safe. Please maintain, follow protocols, and let's beat COVID, guys. And also, நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த $1 million கேள்வி கூட கேட்டேன். Did you?
Akira, did you?
She's making sambar on my head. Hello. Ew. Hello. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I just wanted to ask like any questions like many people I want to say this.
Give the mic to Akira.
நிறைய பேர் வந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்க நான் இது பண்றேன் அது பண்றேன் 10,000 steps walk பண்றேன் I'm walking 20 kilometers a day எப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. It doesn't have to be rigorous. நீங்க வந்து ஒர்க் அவுட்னா ஐ டோன்ட் மீன் டு பி லைக் நீங்க டெய்லி பண்ணி ஆகணும் இல்லை யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ டு அ லெவல் வெர் யூர் ஸ்வெட்டிங் பக்கெட்ஸ் அப்படியெல்லாம் கிடையாது. சம்திங் பெட்டர் தென் நத்திங் அந்த மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆல்சோ டோன்ட் ஸ்ட்ரெயின் ஸோ மச். டூ சம்திங் தட் நீங்கள் லைஃப் லாங் அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண முடியும். ஒரு லைஃப் ஸ்டைலாக பாருங்கள். ஒரு 3 months நான் ஒரு 10 கிலோ குறைக்கணும், ஒரு 1 week ஒரு 2 கிலோ குறைக்கணும் அப்படியெல்லாம் பார்க்காதீங்க. forget this weight losing thing and all. It's just stupidity. Being flexible, having energy throughout the day, sustained energy, and things like that are the most important thing. Not I've stopped eating rice, I've stopped eating carbs, I've stopped eating all the stupid things. Adala illa. Carbohydrates are very important, protein is very important, fat is very important, balanced diet is very important. Just now, I can eat like 3 biryanis. I love biryani, but I know it's no use. I'm just packing on unnecessary calories. Eat everything. You can eat everything. I eat ice cream also. I love ice cream, but I don't eat like buckets and buckets like before. Even 3 spoons are good. Any questions, guys?
Kai valikudhu.
I'm holding her.
Come this way.
Just take my fam and go somewhere. Hello.
Akira is so cute.
You're very cute, it seems. Are you? Don't play tabla on my face, woman. Yeah. So, any questions? Any good questions?
Cute baby.
Akira is saying that, Dad, I also want to talk with people on live.
Does
it look like she looks like she wants to learn karate? Shruti, I'll stand little here. What is this? Are you also be in the frame? Hey, kadavule. During my first film also, Kadhalar Vindhen, my director வந்து ஆஃபீஸில் கூலாக சொன்னார், ஒரு 10 கிலோ குறைக்கணும் நான் சொல்லிங்க. I did the worst of the things, like stopped eating food, running on Besant Nagar beach from the sea to the shore, front back till I dropped. Uchi veil, because I wanted to darken up, also tan up and things like that and all. If you tell me to do those things again, hell no, chance illa. My mind will be like,
odidra.
Escape. So we can't, don't do such things. Do something like today I tell you, come on guys, let's go work out now. Okay, let's go do something. Let's make some good energy. Let's spend some good energy. And the mari, it should be lifelong irukano. Food kuda appadha irukano. It's not like I'm like on a strict diet. I only eat vegetables. I only eat steamed vegetables and chicken and rice and appadi illa.
Keto.
No. Don't. I've done some very stupid things like that. I've done the keto diet. I've done the OMAD diet, 1 meal a day diet. I actually started putting on more weight than losing weight. It is very, very stupid, all these things. Balanced diet, and the most important thing is patience. Porumai romba mukkiyam. Ninga vandu, if you, I don't think they're even listening to me.
Ow.
Porumai is very important. You should be patient. You don't expect. Don't expect Quick results. Quick results. They don't last. They come quickly, they go quickly. Woman, you want your father to wear wig in movies, Ada? Huh? You want that, don't you? She wants that. Anyways. So if I have lost my hair, it's all because of her. Anyways. So, what I was saying is, yeah, there is no spot reduction. Always look at your food as energy, not just taste. Amma! Not just taste. Okay? Think of it like இது தேவையா இது வேணுமா இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு சமோசா சாப்பிட்டீங்க one samosa doesn't make a difference, it's okay, it's fine, but then it was delicious, I want to have one more samosa. Do you really want that samosa? Do you want to burn that samosa? 300-400 calories, is it required? அப்படி பாருங்க, look at your food as a source of energy first.
Hold her for some time.
Look at the food as a source of energy, not as something that makes you happy alone. Hell no. Participate in Big Boss 5. Without her, 3 months. I love Kamal sir, but not so much also. Sorry, my eyes are on Akira. Akira! Hey, thank you guys. Yeah, nowadays she's in a very assault mode. Yeah, என்ன பண்றது, shooting BB Jodigal, people are asking. Yes, it was super fun. Ramya ma'am is a super charming and super beautiful and lovely co-host, co-judge. Anna, it is risky right now. Can't sit and do shows. Most importantly, we have to beat COVID, and beating COVID is, I know you guys are sharp, y'all are smart, y'all are my fam, so உங்க மேல ஒரு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு எனக்கு that நீங்க ஒரு கோவிட் மாதிரி பிஹேவ் பண்ண மாட்டீங்க, and y'all will maintain distance, and y'all have that insight that அந்த ஃபியர் இருக்குல்ல, எனக்கு செமையா இருக்கு. I'm very paranoid about these things, and I want to be safe, I want to keep my family safe, I want y'all to be safe, and I want to beat this bloody COVID. I know we can beat it. It's not, don't think medicines are going to beat COVID or the vaccine is going to beat COVID. It's us. Social distancing,
wearing mask, not stepping out unnecessarily.
Exactly. But yeah, also guys, the vaccination thing is on right now. Do go get your vaccine, guys. Elders at home, everyone, first please go get your vaccination done. I don't know exactly how to say this, but yeah, that's why I don't know the I'm very bad with current affairs, but do get your vaccination done if possible. Hey, thank you. Hey Nakshatra, hi Nakshatra. Hey, thank you.
Oh.
She's removing virtual drishti for us.
Ayyo, so sweet. Say hi.
Hi Nakul ji, हिंदी में दर्शकों से इंग्लिश में बात करना ये दर्शाता है कि लोग मेरे भाई
முடியாது
ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் I wanted to be everything, எல்லாருக்கும் புரியணும். It should be English, Tamil, Hindi, whatever man, it should go. Communication is more important, love is more important. I want to express love and I get love from you guys. Next movie என்ன bro சொல்லுங்க. Yeah, இப்போதான் ஷூட்டிங் முடிச்சு நான் வந்திருக்கேன். It's like so good. I'm doing 10 films. Like hello, beat the pandemic first, guys. Let's beat the pandemic.
Let's walk.
Relationship tips, please. That was tough to say. Okay, relationship tips. There is no. What is the tip? You just empathize with your partner. Anytime you feel, would you do it? Na kelvi kelunga. Ask yourself that. Hey, please, yeah, wash the vessels, or clean the house, or anything. Ask, would you do it? If she asked you the same question, or he asked you the same question, idu panni kuda, or idu pannu, do this, do that, will life be happy? Will you be happy? I think that's the only thing I see it. I keep it very simple, yeah. When I want to irritate her, I just irritate her.
Yeah, and I irritate him back.
I don't like that, Shruti. Behave. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Hey, thank you. I like your dance. Thank you. Wish I can hold Akira for some time and those chubby. No. No. I'm very strict father. Okay, so I think that should do. We'll again have a proper.
What are you trying to talk?
So much screen time she's getting. I'm not showing her the screen. Anyways.
இனிமே படத்தை பார்த்து வாங்காதீங்க. 100% கடலை எண்ணெயான்னு படிச்சு பார்த்து வாங்குங்க.
கடலை எண்ணெயில் நம்பர் 1 மிஸ்டர் கோல்ட் 100% கடலை எண்ணெய்.